Welcome back, everyone. If you joined us for part one, you've already got a solid foundation of 25 practical travel hacks. We talked about everything from packing cubes to using incognito mode for flight searches. Now, it's time to really level up those travel skills.
Absolutely, Paul. We're diving into another 25 fantastic tips today, inspired by seasoned travelers, backpackers, even airline professionals. These are the kinds of insights that, individually, might seem small, but combined, they can seriously transform your entire journey. I'm excited!
Me too. Let's just jump right into it. Tip number 26. Book the first flight of the day. Now, nobody loves a 4 a.m. alarm. I get it. But there's a real method to this madness, Emily.
Oh, this is a game changer, Paul. Morning flights are generally less likely to experience those cascading delays, because the aircraft hasn't accumulated a day's worth of disruptions yet. Plus, if, God forbid, your flight gets canceled, you actually have other options later in the day, which is huge.
Exactly. Peace of mind is priceless when you're traveling. And speaking of practicalities, here's tip 27. Wear your heaviest clothes. If you're teetering on that luggage weight limit, just put on your hiking boots, your big jacket, or that heavy sweatshirt. Airports are often cool anyway, so it's a win-win.
This is such an old-school backpacker trick, and it still works! I mean, who wants to pay those overweight bag fees? Not me. Plus, a comfy sweatshirt on a chilly plane? Yes, please. Next up, tip 28. Label your luggage clearly. And I'm not just talking about your name.
Right. A lot of suitcases look identical. You need to make yours stand out with a colorful tag, ribbon, or strap. And on that tag include your name, email, and phone number. But here's the key. Avoid putting your full home address. Privacy, people.
Privacy is so important. And honestly, making your bag distinctive is just smart. I've had that moment at baggage claim where you're staring at 50 identical black bags and you're like, is it mine? Is it not? A little pop of color solves that. Now for tip 29, split your valuables. This is a big one for security and peace of mind.
Absolutely. Never keep all your money, cards, and ID in one place. One credit card in your wallet, another in your backpack, emergency cash stash separately. If one thing goes missing, you haven't lost everything. It's just common sense, but so many people forget to do it.
Yeah, it's that don't put all your eggs in one basket mentality. It really does save a lot of stress if something unfortunate happens. And following on from that, tip 30 is equally crucial. Keep essential items in your carry-on.
A fish is non-negotiable for me. Checked luggage can get delayed or worse, lost. So always pack medication, your phone charger, a change of clothes, basic toiletries, important documents, and any electronics in your carry-on. That way, even if your main suitcase goes on an adventure of its own, you're set for a day or two.
Oh, I learned this the hard way once. My bag ended up in a different country for 3 days. Thank goodness I had a fresh pair of undies and my toothbrush in my carry-on. It truly makes a difference. Speaking of long journeys, tip 31. Download entertainment before you leave.
Yes, airport Wi-Fi is notoriously slow, expensive, or just plain unreliable. Before you even head out, load up your phone or tablet with movies, TV shows, podcasts, audiobooks, music playlists, even language lessons. Trust me, a long flight becomes a lot more enjoyable with your favorite content.
It's a lifesaver, especially with kids. Pre-downloaded content is just golden. Next up, tip 34. Learn the local currency. You don't need to be an expert in exchange rates, but have a basic understanding of what common purchases should cost.
This helps you avoid overpaying, recognize scams, and budget more accurately. Just knowing, say, what a coffee or a taxi ride should roughly cost in local currency gives you so much confidence, rather than constantly feeling like you're getting ripped off.
It's empowering, really. And once you've got that down, you can move on to tip 33, which is one of my favorites. Eat where the locals eat. This is the simplest way to find amazing, authentic food.
Totally. If a restaurant is packed with local residents, you know it's good. They usually offer better quality, fresher ingredients, lower prices, and of course, those genuine flavors. Don't be afraid to venture off the main tourist drag onto a quiet side street. That's often where the real gems are.
Agreed. Some of my best travel memories involve stumbling into a tiny, unassuming spot filled with locals. Delicious. Speaking of money, tip 34. Don't exchange money at airports. Seriously, just don't do it.
Airport exchange counters are notorious for terrible rates. You're almost always better off using local ATMs, exchanging money in the city center, or even better, just paying with a travel-friendly credit card that doesn't charge foreign transaction fees. Those small differences really add up over a trip.
They really do. Every penny counts. And here's a brilliant hack for when you're in a new city, especially if there's a language barrier. Tip 35. Use hotel business cards.
Oh, this is genius. When you check into your hotel, just grab a business card from the front desk. If you get lost, just show the card to a taxi driver or a local. The address is right there, already printed. It's like having a built-in safety net.
It really is. Such a simple thing, but so effective. And for tip 36, let's talk about staying healthy on the go. Stay hydrated during flights.
Oh, absolutely. Airplane cabins are incredibly dry environments. You need to be drinking water regularly throughout your flight, and try to limit excessive alcohol and caffeine. Proper hydration fights fatigue, headaches, dry skin, and even helps reduce jet lag symptoms. Your body will definitely thank you later.
It's true, I always feel so much better after a long flight when I've kept up my water intake. And to help with that jet lag even more, tip 34.
Adjust to local time quickly.
As soon as you board your flight, set your watch and phone to your destination's time zone.
Yes. And once you arrive, stay awake until local bedtime if you possibly can. Getting exposure to daylight also helps your body adapt so much faster. It's tough sometimes, but it really does make a difference in hitting the ground running.
It truly does. You just have to push through that first day. Now, let's talk about something that can literally stop your entire trip in its tracks if you forget it. Tip 38. Don't forget travel adapters.
Oh, the horror of getting somewhere amazing and realizing your phone charger is useless. Electrical outlets are different everywhere, so research your destination. Honestly, a universal travel adapter is one of the best investments you can make. It lets you charge multiple devices almost anywhere in the world.
It's absolutely essential. I always pack two, just in case. And speaking of essential items, tip 34. Back up your photos. Imagine losing your camera or phone halfway through your vacation and all those precious memories disappearing.
That's a nightmare scenario. So important to regularly upload your photos to cloud storage or an external drive. Your memories deserve protection, and it's so easy to do with all the services available now.
Definitely. I usually try to do it at the end of each day if I've taken a lot of pictures. For tip 40, let's talk about really getting to know a place. Use walking tours.
Many cities offer excellent free or low-cost walking tours, and they're just fantastic. You learn local history, discover hidden neighborhoods you'd never find otherwise, meet other travelers, and get recommendations from knowledgeable guides. A good walking tour often gives you a better introduction than just exploring alone.
They're great for getting your bearings too, especially on the first day in a new city. But while you're exploring, here's tip 41, which I have to remind myself of all the time. Don't try to see everything.
Oh, this is so hard for me. Every city has more attractions than you can realistically visit. So instead of rushing from one place to the next, pick a few meaningful experiences. Quality beats quantity every single time. It's okay to miss something.
I know, right? FOMO is real, but you end up enjoying it so much more. And to keep your energy up during those meaningful experiences, tip 44.
Carry healthy snacks. Flight delays happen, long bus rides happen, unexpected closures happen. Packing snacks like nuts, protein bars, or dried fruit keeps your energy up, prevents those hangry moments, and stops you from making expensive impulse purchases when you're desperate.
Oh, hangry is a real travel hazard. This is such a simple, effective tip. Next, tip 45. Check local holidays before you go. This can completely change your experience.
Absolutely. Sometimes you'll stumble into incredible cultural celebrations, which is amazing. Other times, though, businesses, museums, and restaurants might be closed, and you don't want to be caught off guard. Knowing in advance helps you plan wisely and avoid disappointment.
Such a good point. A little research goes a long way. And speaking of preparation, tip 44.
Protect yourself from the sun. Even on cloudy days, that UV exposure can be really strong. For sure. Sunscreen, sunglasses, a hat, they're not just for beach vacations. Sunburn can quickly ruin an otherwise wonderful trip, and nobody wants that. Be smart about it.
No kidding! I once got a really bad sunburn on an overcast day in Ireland, of all places. Never again. Now, for tip 45, this is a really important one in our digital age. Be careful with free public Wi-Fi.
This is crucial. Avoid logging into banking apps or entering sensitive information on unsecured public networks. Whenever possible, use your mobile data. Use a trusted VPN or just wait until you're on a secure connection. Protecting your digital information is just as important as protecting your passport.
Absolutely. It's so easy to forget when you're just quickly checking something. All right, for tip 46, this one's all about mindset. Keep an open mind.
Oh, this is perhaps the most important tip. Travel rarely goes exactly as planned. A delayed train might lead you to an amazing hidden cafe. A wrong turn might reveal a beautiful unexpected street. Sometimes those unexpected moments become the absolute highlights of your journey. Embrace flexibility, go with the flow.
It's so true. My favorite travel stories are almost always about something unexpected happening. For tip 47, let's talk safety. Learn basic emergency numbers.
Emergency phone numbers vary so much between countries. Before you arrive, take 5 minutes to know how to contact the police, ambulance, and fire department in your destination. Hopefully, you'll never need them, but that preparation brings immense peace of mind.
Exactly. Better safe than sorry. Next, tip 48, respect nature. If you're visiting beaches, mountains, forests, national parks, leave them exactly as you found them.
Yes, take your trash with you, stay on marked trails, and please avoid disturbing wildlife. Responsible travelers help preserve these beautiful places for future generations. It's really our collective responsibility.
Such a vital point. Leave no trace. And speaking of respecting the places we visit, tip 45.
Instead of buying mass-produced souvenirs, consider supporting local artists, family-owned restaurants, independent shops, community guides, or local markets. Your spending directly benefits the people who call that destination home, and it's a much more authentic experience.
It feels so much better to know your money is directly helping the community you're visiting. And finally, tip 50, to round out our 50 travel hacks, travel with gratitude.
This to me is perhaps the greatest travel hack of all. It's not about saving money or booking the perfect flight. It's about changing your mindset. Every journey is a privilege. Every destination has something to teach. Every culture offers a new perspective. Instead of comparing places, appreciate their uniqueness. Travel becomes far richer when curiosity replaces expectation.
Wow, Paul, that's such a beautiful way to put it. That really resonates. You know, these 50 tips, from the super practical to the deeply philosophical, they truly can help anyone travel smarter, safer, and with greater confidence.
They really can. Remember, the best trips aren't always the most expensive or the most luxurious. They're the ones where you connect with people, embrace new experiences, and remain open to the unexpected. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway, your dream international vacation, or your very first flight, these simple habits can make every journey smoother and more memorable.
Travel teaches us lessons that no classroom can fully capture. It broadens our perspective, challenges our assumptions, and reminds us that despite our different languages, traditions, and cultures, people around the world share so many of the same hopes, dreams, and acts of kindness. It's just a truly humbling experience.
It absolutely is. As you prepare for your next adventure, remember that every destination has a story waiting to be discovered. Sometimes the most unforgettable moments aren't found in famous landmarks or luxury resorts. They're found in conversations with locals, quiet walks through unfamiliar neighborhoods, breathtaking sunsets, or those unexpected detours that become cherished memories.
We truly hope these travel hacks inspire you to explore the world with confidence, curiosity, and respect. And now, we'd love to hear from you. What is the best travel tip you've ever learned? Have you discovered a clever hack that made your travels easier?
Share it in the comments below. Your advice could help fellow travelers prepare for their own incredible adventures. If you enjoyed this two-part series, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our upcoming travel guides, destination rankings, packing advice, and insider tips from around the world.
Thank you so much for joining us on this journey. Until next time, travel wisely, stay safe, keep exploring, and remember,
the world is vast, beautiful, and filled with extraordinary experiences. Every journey begins with a single step, and your next unforgettable adventure could be just around the corner.
safe travels, everyone, and we'll see you in the next one.